Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again.
Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Well, happy Mother's Day, you guys. This is my Mother's Day dinner. This is New York strip steak, New York. Oh my God. Look at that, you guys. And oh my God, you guys. I will have to post how I cook my collard green, but it won't be in this video, okay? Because I might have to delete some of my video. But this right here is my beans with ground beef, cornbread, and collard green with two different ham hocks and ham shank. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is a real blessing. Mother's Day dinner for me, you know. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Look how green and beautiful my collard green is. Oh my goodness. What a lot. And I'm just craving, you guys. I said, you know what? I'm craving for some of my famous collard green. Because you see, you got the Turner as well. Oh my goodness. Wow. Can't have a better dinner than this, you guys. Yes. Coming from my kitchen. Yes. All this good food is what I cooking in my kitchen. Yes. I know I keep saying that, but look how big the cornbread is, you guys. Oh my goodness, look like a cake, don't it? I hope I can have my dessert for my Kool-Aid pie. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm going to get started. There are the beans in. And yes, I love fresh garlic. That's the garlic. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. I really appreciate it. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment, subscribe. You don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. But like I said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty. And of course, this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. So I already taste everything because you have to taste your food, to make sure it's seasoned well, you know. But oh my, you guys, look at that. Look at them collard greens. So beautiful, colorful, and green. Oh my goodness. There you guys go. You guys can get that first bite. Take my bite. Oh my goodness. That is so good, you guys. Want a piece of that meat? Okay. Appreciate that. Kind of spice there. And cornbread. Now let's dig in. Oh, let me give y'all a bite of this. My beans. There you guys go. Now let me go ahead and cut into this steak. Okay? Okay, you guys. Wow. And it's so easy to cut. Oh my goodness. There you guys go. You guys get that first bite. Wow.
My personal price point? Yeah, your price. It's amazing. You're the one that suggested bundling home and auto.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, who's all about getting themselves an affordable price?
That is good. Like, turn up.
I called our agent. Bundling. Just another way to say
Wow.
price plan is true.
All right, you guys, I'm going to get out of here and enjoy my Mother's Day dinner. Hope you guys have a blessed Mother's Day. And to all the mother around the world, have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. But keep watching this video. I'll just kind of show you everything. I didn't show it in this video. I did not show you how I cook it. But probably the next one, I will show you guys how I cook my side. And that will be in the next video. I just want to show you the main dish. Okay? Bye-bye. Okay, you guys. This is... I want to come back to show you guys my Kool-Aid pie. This is the strawberry. The one that I cut. Okay, so I just want you guys to see that. Okay. Get me a little, get y'all get the first bite. Oh, it's thick. There you guys go. You guys can have that first bite. Take my bite. And I have made this before. Wow, that's good. Y'all want another bite? There you go. All right, that's my dessert on Mother's Day. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, my husband said that I didn't tell you guys how it tastes. I said it is delicious. It ain't that sweet, is it?
Sweet enough.
And my husband said, sweet enough. All right, bye. Oh, that's the back of it, you guys.